back on the stand. We got the McDonald's flyer, the red and yellow. We're gonna upgrade. Boom! The chains. I got a pack of the insane chains. Red and yellow. I'm gonna hook it up. I did some orange and black ones on my stepson's blocks flyer. Those came out pretty bad. I'll put a picture in later, show you what it looked like. But yeah, for today, I'm gonna do a quick upgrade. Should look nice. After that, I got a few more things coming, but it should look nice. Well, there it is. Insane chain. Looks good. I like it. Just hooking up a little bit by little. Red and yellow. Add some more to the bike. Looks pretty crispy. I like it. Next, we're gonna do some with the grips. These gotta go. They're one day, these grips ain't the best, bro. They feel like crap, to be honest. And then, of course, it's ripped under there, so we're gonna get rid of that. We're gonna do the grips coming up. I think that was it. I was gonna do the grips and something else. Oh yeah, I wanted to change this landing gear from black to yellow, most likely. But she's getting there. I like the insane chain. Nice little come up.
You calling somebody, Daddy?
I think it looks pretty nice with it, right?